Hello, everyone. What a beautiful day to be alive. Do you know who this is? I'll give you a hint. I'm tall, I've got dark brown curly hair, and I'm from America. That's right. It's Brianna. I hope you're all doing well. Maria Jesus and I miss you and are excited to get back to school. But for now, we have a super cool lesson for you to learn about something new. Are you ready? Let's go! First, I want to review the vocabulary. I hope that you've all been studying the spelling. So listen and repeat. Go fishing. Go sailing. Go windsurfing. Play chess. Play board games. Play computer games. Build a robot. Dress up. Knit. Sew. Skip. Kick. Good job. What can they do? Read the questions and answer. If a picture has a tick, you know the answer is yes, and if it has a cross, you know the answer is no. So, try to remember the grammar that we're learning in this unit. Can he skip? Yes, he can. Good job. Can they dress up? What do you think? No, they can't. Can she sew? Yes, she can. Don't forget to say your answer. Can you build a robot? No, I can't. Can she go sailing? No, she can't. Now, how can you do your hobbies? Today we're going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs are words that help us describe how we do something. So, listen and repeat the new words. Well. Well. He can play chess well. Repeat. He can play chess well. What are you good at doing? Are you good at playing football? Yes? Say, I can play football well. Now, badly, badly. He can't play football well. He can play football badly. Badly is the opposite of well. What does opposite mean? Okay. Loudly! Loudly! He can sing loudly. Very good. Quietly. Quietly. She can sing quietly. These two words are opposites. Loudly! Quietly. Good job. Carefully. Carefully. Carefully means to do something while paying close attention and trying not to make mistakes. Example: I can build a robot carefully. I can do my homework carefully. Can you do your homework carefully? Yes, I can. Repeat. Yes, I can. Good. Or, no, I can't. No, I can't. Good job. Quickly. Quickly. Quickly is another way to say fast. He can run quickly. He can run quickly. Good. Slowly. Slowly. Look at the picture. She can run slowly. She can't run quickly. Can you think of an animal that can run slowly? That's right, a turtle. A turtle can run slowly. Easily. Easily. I can learn English easily. Repeat. What can you do easily? For example, I can swim easily. I can read easily. What can you do easily? You can speak Spanish easily, for example. Great job today, guys. Now, later on, we're going to practice the old grammar and the new grammar with a game. So we'll see you later. Bye-bye.